What is going on, guys? Unlimited Cop here, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your hands on the Nike Sacai LD Waffles. So we actually have three different colorways releasing. We have the white colorway, we have a black colorway, and finally we have the pink and the green. My personal favorite is the black colorway. All three are going to be coming in at a retail price of $155. And in terms of resale for the black colorway, I'm going to put it somewhere around $400 to $550. And for the white pair, I see it being pretty much the same, somewhere around $400 to $550. And for the pink and green pair, I see it being slightly lower, maybe somewhere around $350 to $500. As we saw with the past releases, after the initial drop, the Sacai's went kind of down, but after a couple months, they actually did go back up. So I definitely see these being a really good hold. And in terms of bots for this release, I would obviously recommend Cyber, Kodai. The Kickstation has been doing pretty well, Soul All-in-One. Actually, Project Destroyer has been making a little bit of a comeback. So if you could get your hands on one of those bots, I would probably recommend doing so. Recently, Nike Sneakers has been deactivating a lot of accounts, which basically means you have to go back through and re-verify the account with the phone number, which is pretty annoying for botters because if you don't have any accounts to run, it renders the bots useless. These shoes are set to drop this Thursday, September 12th at select retailers. Now that we got all the release information out of the way, let's move on to what retailers are going to be getting these. Now guys, please do keep in mind I'm making this video in advance, so these sites are set to change. I'll leave a link down in the description below to a doc that has all the sites releasing and exactly what time. And these shoes are all going to be releasing at the same place at the same time, so I'm just going to say the store once for the time's sake of this video. Starting us out at 3 AM EST, we have Nike Sneakers EU. Unfortunately guys, if you are outside of Europe, you are going to need a reshipper. I definitely do think it is going to be worth it for this release because resale is going to be pretty high. So if you do want to run a reshipper, I'll link that video down in the description below. And in terms of Nike Sneakers guys, pretty much all you can do is just get as many accounts in as you possibly can. So get pretty much all your family members' phones, maybe even your friends, just get as many accounts as you possibly can into the draw or the first come first serve and hope you hit. If you guys want to see a more detailed video about how to hit on Nike Sneakers, definitely leave a comment down in the comment section below. Moving on to 8 AM EST, we have Undefeated. And guys, if this is not at 8 AM, it is going to be random. Pretty much all you have to do for Undefeated is just run the Shopify jig and just really hope you get lucky. You are going to need an account to check out, so if you are running a bot, I would recommend genning some accounts the night before, just so you're ready to go. And if you are going manual, obviously be sure you're logged in beforehand. Next up, you have social status. Now guys, the actual time for this site is not confirmed yet. It could be anywhere from 9 AM EST to 11 AM EST. Personally, I do think it is going to be 9. Really not too much to say about it. It is your basic Shopify site, so pretty much just have an account set up beforehand and just do the Shopify jig. Moving on to 10 AM EST, we have Kith. Unfortunately guys, bots usually do eat Kith, so you're gonna just have to do the Shopify jig. Just be as fast as you can and really just hope you get lucky. Also 10 AM EST, we have Nike Sneakers US. I would probably just recommend you go for Nike Sneakers over Kith. Just try to get as many accounts as you possibly can, because if you are going manual, Kith is pretty much a lost cause. And guys, don't get me wrong, it is possible to cop on there, but it's just extremely hard. Next up, we have Dover Street Market, New York at 11 AM EST. Now guys, unfortunately bots usually do eat this also, and unfortunately you can't do the Shopify jig. I would probably just recommend having autofill set up and just being as fast as you can. Also at 11 AM EST, we have Concepts. Now you are going to need an account to check out, so if you are running a bot, I would generate some beforehand and obviously be logged in if you're going manually. I would probably recommend going for Concepts over DSM at 11. Now unfortunately this time is not confirmed just yet. Hopefully down the road we can confirm it. If not, just be on the lookout for it at 11, and then if it's not at 11, it will be random. Now as of right now guys, those are all the releases that we do have. Like I said, I'm making this video a couple days in advance, so I will be sure to update the doc if things do change. I'm also going to leave a couple of Raffles down there, so I will be sure to check those out. If you guys are going manual, Raffles are pretty much your best chance. I mean, it all depends on luck, and you can't really bot Raffles, so pretty much everyone has the same chance. So in the end guys, if you are going manual, enter as many Raffles as you possibly can, do the Shopify jig, and get as many Nike accounts as you possibly can into the draw. That's pretty much it guys. If you guys did enjoy this video or helped you guys out in any way, please be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that subscribe button for more content. And if you guys are enjoying the better quality videos, definitely be sure to let me know down below. Be sure to follow my Twitter and my Instagram and all that good stuff. And if you guys are in the need for a sneaker group, check out Unlimited Cook. We have blazing fast monitors, extensive release guides, early links, and a lot more. Also guys, we're getting really close to 5,000 subscribers, which is just pretty mind-blowing. We've been growing like crazy recently, and I just can't thank you guys enough. That's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm Unlimited Cop, and I'm out.
Yeah, I run my city without running shoes. You ain't gotta wonder who. All these rappers sound the same. Damn, there is a ton of you. I just smirked the competition, did it right in front of you. Before I even learned to count, I kept it 100 too. I be on my Kendrick shit, really bout to humble you. Never ever drop the ball, no, I never fumbled.